Ever been driving and suddenly a strange symbol pops up on your dashboard? Heart skips a beat, right? Here's the truth. Every single dashboard warning light is designed to tell you something important. In fact, when you first start your car or truck, all the lights briefly illuminate. That's not a glitch. It's your vehicle's way of running a self-check, ensuring every system is safe and ready to go. But here's the catch. If one or more of those lights stay on after startup, that's your car waving a red flag that something's wrong. And if any warning light doesn't illuminate at all during that brief test, that's even worse. It means the system may not be able to warn you when trouble strikes, leaving you unaware of danger. So in this video, we're breaking down every dashboard warning light, what it means, why it matters, and when to act. Stick around, because understanding these glowing symbols could save your engine, your wallet, and even your life. 1. Transmission temperature. Warning light. When you see a symbol that looks like a thermometer inside a gear, your car is warning you that the transmission fluid is overheating. And just like engine overheating, this is extremely destructive. Excessive heat can burn the fluid, damage seals, and destroy internal transmission components, leaving you with one of the most expensive repairs a vehicle can face. Overheating can be caused by low fluid levels from a leak, towing heavy loads, stop-and-go traffic, or even a failing transmission cooler. If this light comes on, pull over immediately, shift into park, and let the transmission cool down before checking the fluid. Never continue driving with an overheated transmission. Just a few more miles can turn a manageable problem into a complete transmission failure. 2. The coolant or engine temperature warning. When you see the thermometer symbol or wavy lines of water on your dashboard, it's not just about coolant, it's also your engine temperature warning light. In other words, your engine is running dangerously hot, and overheating is one of the most destructive things that can happen under the hood. It can warp the cylinder head, crack the engine block, or blow the head gasket, repairs that can easily run into the thousands. This warning can be triggered by several issues: low coolant from a leak, a stuck thermostat, a failing radiator fan, clogged coolant passages, or even a defective water pump. If this light comes on, don't ignore it. Pull over immediately, switch off the engine, and let it cool before checking coolant levels. Remember, never keep driving with an overheated engine. Just a few extra minutes on the road could mean permanent, catastrophic damage. 3. The oil pressure warning light. When the red oil can symbol appears on your dashboard, it means your engine has dangerously low oil pressure. This isn't the same as the check oil reminder. It's a critical emergency. Without proper oil pressure, your engine parts aren't being lubricated, and metal will grind against metal until the engine destroys itself. Low oil pressure can be caused by low oil levels, a worn-out oil pump, or even a clogged filter. If this light comes on, pull over immediately and shut off the engine. Driving without oil pressure can seize the engine in minutes, leading to complete failure and a repair bill that can rival the cost of a new car. Always check the dipstick, top off the oil if it's low, and have a mechanic diagnose the issue right away. 4. The tire pressure monitoring system light. This warning symbol looks like a horseshoe with an exclamation mark in the center, and it means one or more of your tires are dangerously underinflated. Driving on low tire pressure doesn't just waste fuel, it increases tire wear and dramatically raises the risk of a blowout, especially at highway speeds. If this light comes on, pull over safely and check your tires. Inflate them to the recommended PSI, which you'll find on the label inside the driver's door. If the light stays on afterward, you could be dealing with a slow leak or a faulty TPMS sensor. Never ignore this warning. Driving with underinflated tires isn't just inefficient, it's unsafe. 5. The check engine light. This is the warning light most drivers fear. shaped like a small engine outline, sometimes with the word check. It means your car's computer has found a problem. The issue could be something as simple as a loose gas cap, or as serious as a failing catalytic converter. If the light is steady, the problem is usually minor, but still needs attention. But if it's flashing, that's a red alert, often a severe misfire that can quickly destroy your catalytic converter. When this light comes on, don't ignore it. Use an OBD2 scanner or head to a mechanic right away. Catching the problem early could save you from a major breakdown and an expensive repair bill. If you're still watching at this point, you're clearly serious about taking care of your car, and I appreciate that. Don't stop now, because the next set of warning lights could save you from breakdowns and repairs that would drain your wallet. 6th, battery alert light. This red battery symbol doesn't just mean the battery is weak. It's telling you the charging system is failing. Your alternator, voltage regulator, or wiring may not be keeping the battery alive, so the car is running on stored power alone. If this happens, turn off extra electrical loads like the AC or the radio and get to a shop quickly. Once the battery drains, your car will stall. Many times, replacing the alternator solves the issue. 7. Brake system light. A red exclamation point inside a circle, often with brake underneath, means there's a problem with your braking system. Sometimes it simply indicates that the parking brake is engaged, but if it's not, you may be low on brake fluid or have a serious brake issue. If it appears while driving, pull over and check your brake fluid level. If the brakes feel soft, spongy, or unresponsive, do not continue driving. Brake failure is a life-threatening risk, so treat this warning as urgent. 8. Traction or stability control. This light, showing a car with squiggly lines, activates when the system is helping you on slippery roads. But if it stays lit, the system is faulty. Causes include faulty wheel speed sensors, a bad steering angle sensor, or issues with the stability control module. While you can still drive, you'll lose extra protection in poor conditions, so have it inspected if the light stays on. 9. Airbag warning light. When the airbag light stays on, it means there's a fault in the airbag system. In the event of a crash, the airbags might not deploy, or worse, they could deploy unexpectedly. This isn't something you can fix with DIY. A mechanic will scan for error codes to pinpoint the problem, which could be anything from a faulty sensor to wiring issues. Since airbags are life-saving devices, always address this warning immediately. 10. Lamp out warning light. Some cars will show a light bulb symbol when one of your exterior lights, whether it's a headlight, tail light, or brake light, has burned out. At first, it might not feel urgent, but this warning is more serious than it seems. A burned-out bulb limits your visibility and makes it harder for other drivers to see you, especially at night or in bad weather. It's also a quick way to attract a traffic ticket. The good news is that the fix is simple. Walk around your car, find the faulty bulb, and replace it as soon as possible. Keeping every light working properly is one of the easiest and most affordable steps you can take to stay safe on the road. 11th. Headlight indicator. Usually shown as a light beam symbol, this isn't a warning but an indicator that your headlights are on. A green symbol means low beams, while a blue one indicates high beams. Knowing the difference prevents blinding oncoming drivers with high beams when you shouldn't. It's a small detail, but essential for safe nighttime driving. You've made it this far, and that already puts you ahead of most drivers who ignore these warning signs. Thanks for sticking with me. Stay tuned, because the next lights could reveal problems that are even more dangerous and costly if overlooked. 12. Seatbelt indicator. This flashing light, often with a chime, reminds you or your passenger to buckle up. It's the simplest warning, but one of the most important. Wearing a seatbelt reduces the risk of fatal injury by nearly 50%. Buckle up every time, no excuses. 13. Fog lamp indicator. This green or yellow lamp symbol shows that your fog lights are on. They're designed to cut through dense fog, not to be used in normal conditions. Overusing fog lights can dazzle other drivers and is illegal in some regions. Use them only when visibility is severely reduced. 14. Anti-lock brake system, ABS, light. This amber light, marked ABS, indicates there's a fault in your anti-lock braking system. Your brakes will still work, but the ABS feature that prevents wheel lockup won't. This means longer stopping distances, especially on wet or icy roads. While you can still drive, you should get it repaired promptly for safety. 15. Washer fluid indicator. A windshield with a spray icon tells you your washer fluid is low. It's not critical, but it's worth noting. Dirty windshields can impair your vision, especially in poor weather. Refilling washer fluid is cheap, quick, and something you can easily do yourself. 16. Traction control malfunction light. Similar to the traction control light, but often shows an exclamation point inside a triangle. This indicates a malfunction with the system. Your car may lose some of its extra stability features, leaving you vulnerable in slippery conditions. It's best to get the system inspected before driving in challenging weather. 17. Security indicator. This light, often a small car with a padlock, relates to your vehicle's anti-theft system. When it blinks after locking, it means the system is armed. If it stays solid, it could mean the immobilizer can't detect your key. If your car won't start and this light is solid, try another key. If that fails, the system may need resetting or professional repair. 18. Low fuel indicator. The little gas pump symbol warns you're running low on fuel, usually with less than 30 to 50 miles of range left. Don't ignore it. Running out of fuel can damage fuel pumps and leave you stranded. Always refuel as soon as this light comes on. 19. Automatic shift lock indicator. This symbol usually shows a foot and pedal. It means the brake must be pressed before shifting out of park. If the light stays on or you can't shift, the shift lock system may be faulty. Sometimes there's a manual override slot near the shifter that lets you bypass it in emergencies. And there you have it, every dashboard warning light explained. When you start your car, all the lights should briefly flash as a safety check. If they stay on, there's an issue you can't ignore. If they don't appear at all, you could miss a critical warning. Pay close attention. It's your car's way of speaking to you. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know these tips. And before you go, check out our next video on what to do when the check engine light comes on. It could be the difference between a simple fix and a costly disaster.